Through fire, through ice, through the endless northern night, we stand, we fight, keeping ancient dreams alive. The North remembers who we are. We are the sons of the North.